So to start off, I'm going to spray my face with the NYX Bear With Me Setting and Primer Spray. And then I'm going to take the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in order to prime my eyes. I actually probably wouldn't use this as a primer again because I definitely felt like my eyeshadows disappeared about halfway through the day. And I'm going to use the Anastasia Soft Glam palette for this eye look today. I don't remember the exact names of the colors, but I'll have them all listed down below. But I just started off with this kind of mauve brown, and I put that all over the crease. And then I took a more red brown color and I mostly focused that in the outer corner. Then I took this soft nude shade and I put this all over the lid. This look is really self-explanatory. It's not hard at all. And then I took a shimmery color and I patted it on with my finger. And the reason I put it on over the nude color is because it makes it a lot more soft and not like a hard shimmer color. How to fix the brows. I'm having a really love-hate relationship with my brows right now. These lashes are from Visifree off of AliExpress. Then I'm going in with the Fenty foundation. I definitely think that I need to go lay out in the sun before I pick up this foundation again because it looks a little too dark for me right now. Then I go in with the Fenty concealer. I'll have all my shades and whatnot listed down below. This combination is honestly the best thing ever. I cannot say enough how much I love the Fenty hydrating foundation and the concealer, especially together. This is literally flawless skin without looking like you're wearing that much makeup. Like I could probably do a no makeup look with this combination, and you would believe that this is my skin. And I'm going to spray again. Keep that dewy look going. Then I'm going to go in with the Coty Airspun powder to set underneath my eyes. I'm taking the Black Radiance contour palette and I'm going to use a scalp color to sculpt out my cheekbones. I'm also going to put it on my temple and along my jawline. If you really want to be snatched, I would definitely recommend using a cream contour and then going in with a powder contour. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. blush palette in Deep and I'm just taking the bottom right shade and putting that across my cheeks. The way I put my blush on definitely helps further sculpt my face because I like bring it back to my hairline a bit. Then I'm taking this Wet n Wild loose highlighter. I've been obsessed with this since I picked it up like a week and a half ago because it is so beautiful and it just gives you the most like this wet sheen on your face. I can't explain it. I love it. You need it. I'm probably gonna go buy the rest of the colors. To finish off the look, I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in Praline on my lips. My eyelashes were looking a little weird, so that's why I was brushing them out, but it ended up just taking them off and putting them back on. So for the outfit, I kept it really casual. This crop top, this little tube top, crop top thing is from Rainbow. My jeans are from American Eagle. They are the curvy line, so it's perfect for us thick girls. My sandals are also from Rainbow. My purse is from Amazon. It's just like a little crossbody. And my little e-necklace is from Forever 21.